Hey guys, Ryan the Fan Guy here. Here's my Fanimation quad. Doing a remake video of it. I haven't done a video of this fan in a long time, so anyways, so the light cover is off because it causes the fan, not because I don't want it on, because it's because it causes the fan to be noisy, so that's why I took the light cover shade off, so. But although I do like this fan, I've had this in my room since 2020 when it first came out. So, anyways, it's light, dim the light. It's controlled by Fanimation WC2 WH wall control. My dad didn't want a wall control because he's worried about losing the remote too. So. Anyways, he's low. I had this fan last on medium, so. Forgot to show you the Christmas with the Christmas lights on, but I'll show it to you with the Christmas lights on when I get the medium. About low. It's a pretty good low speed to it, so bump it up to medium with the downlight showing. Dim the light. Brighten it back up. And now just the Christmas lights. That's what I'll do with fans with up lights. I'll do downlight first and then up light, then both lights. Medium now. And here's the both lights. Lights off. And here's high. I do like the look of this fan. Well, the pros are about this fan that I like the look of it, and the air movement's pretty decent, and it's pretty nice for a room like this. So the cons are that its light shape makes it noisy, and that's just my only con I think about it, but everything else about it is good. So. And here's airflow test. Top view of the fan. Spin down with the light. I haven't done a remake video of the Glide Air in a while. Now some people have been complaining about those remotes, and I want to show them how to operate it too. So, despite the glider not having a light, kind of like my drone. Anyways, reverse the motor. Sorry, it's just here's the low reverse. This is the play they're watching. One thing I don't like about the Fanimation remotes is that sometimes if you left them off with high, then you want to turn them all the way to low, you have to keep pressing buttons over and over again. But I do like Fanimation remotes. But I wish it all started off with low, usually. Makes a little bit of a louder hum and reverb. This Hall fan also makes a... And also another con about... Well, the pros... Well, actual pros are... Makes the fan that looks nice for my bedroom. Well, the cons are... And it's a decent air mover, but the cons are it's a little slightly noisy, and the light shade makes it buzz. Those are the cons I have about this fan, but I do like Fanimation. I do like Fanimation stuff. Well, yeah, I know certain... I can't do a remake of the glider yet because my relatives are still here. And that is it. That is the Fanimation quad ceiling fan. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe.